Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri, as an English economics lecturer. Don't forget to my happy friends. First of all, let us say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given the gift of health and safety, so that we can carry out today's discussion in good health and without any short times. Okay, let's just explain the material about entrepreneurs. First, I will introduce our group members, starting with me as a moderator, namely Novia Rizky Amalia. The second is Alia Aminatul Husna. The third is Ayu Puji Lestari. Our group will explain about entrepreneur with 4 points. The first is the definition of entrepreneurship. The second is stage in entrepreneurship. The three is the success factor of entrepreneurship, and the last is the goals and benefit of entrepreneurship. Without further ado, let's follow the explanation about entrepreneurs. The first material will be explained by Alia Aminatul. The second material will be explained by Ayu Puji. The last material will be explained by Novia Rizky Amalia. I invite the time and place.
Definition of entrepreneurs. The definition of entrepreneurship is a business activity or an independent business in which every resource and activity is charged to business actors or entrepreneurs, especially in terms of making new products, determining new production methods, as well as compiling a business operation and product marketing and managing business capital. According to Jeffrey G. Mendet, entrepreneurs is a picture of people who have the ability to see and assess business opportunities, gather the necessary resources to take advantage of them, and take appropriate actions to ensure success. Stage entrepreneur. In general, there are several stages that must be done by an entrepreneur. Namely, first stage of starting an entrepreneurship, the stage where someone who intends to do business prepares everything near starting with seeing new challenges or business opportunities. For example, such as choosing the type of business to be carried out, where in agriculture, industry, or service, or other business. Second, stage of entrepreneur implementation. In this stage, a person must manage various aspects related to his business, including aspects running a business from financing, human resource, ownership, organization, leadership, which includes how to take risks and make decisions, marketing, and evaluating. Third, stage of maintaining entrepreneurship. This stage includes conducting an analysis to overcome any problems and obstacles in running a business that has been achieved to follow up according to the conducting phase. Fourth, stage of developing entrepreneurship. The stage where it has a purpose if the results obtained are positive and developed. There must be clear development. Example, contribution to employment problems. There will be an additional workforce.
Thank you, moderator. Entrepreneur success factor. In reality, every business must fail, but smart entrepreneurs always rise up in a state of failure. Here are some factors in influencing the success of entrepreneurs. First, marketing. In this context, marketing is a locomotive to encourage others such as finance, personnel, production, distribution, logistics, purchasing, and others. Many businesses fail because they forget that marketing doesn't work. The second, human resource requires mature and reliable human resources in planning, implementing, supervising, developing a business, and having good leadership. Third, finance. Never think that a business without smooth finance or cash flow can be successful. Cash flow is like blood flow in our body. If the cash flow does not flow, then the business will surely stop and the financial risk must be controlled properly, so there is calculation and planning. Fourth, organization. Like a tree that has a sturdy and strong trunk, the business organization must be well structured. Business organizations are also not static but dynamic, creative, and forward-looking. Fifth, creativity. In a business, creativity is needed because work is always changing. There are complex problems, advances in information and technology are always evolving, which demands creativity. 6. Planning. You have to understand that working without a plan means working without a clear goal. So, of course, the plan is an important factor in a business. Okay, the seventh, location or market. This factor has a lot of influence because business is also related to regional regulation.
Objective and benefit of entrepreneur. Number 1. Objective of entrepreneur. A. Increase the number of quality entrepreneur. B. Realizing the ability and stability of entrepreneur to further progress and community welfare. C. Cultivate the spirit, attitude, behavior, and entrepreneurial ability among people who are capable, reliable, and superior. D. In order to be successful in the world of work or business, it is not enough for people to just be good at talking. What is not is evidence or reality. Therefore, entrepreneur is a real skill that can make it happen. A. Growing awareness and strong entrepreneur orientation toward the community. Number 2. Benefit of entrepreneurs. A. Opportunity to control one's own destiny. Owning or leading a company has the freedom and opportunity for entrepreneurs to achieve goals that are important to them. B. Opportunity to make a change. More and more entrepreneurs are starting business because they see an opportunity to make change they think are important. C. Opportunity to reach full potential. For entrepreneurs, there is not much difference between work and play. Both are the same. D. Opportunity for unlimited profit all around. Money is not the main driving force for entrepreneurs. Profit from business is an important motivation factor for starting a company. A. Opportunity to play a role in society and get recognition. For business owners love the truth and recognition they receive received from their loyally served customer. F. Opportunity to do something you love and have fun doing it. Most successful entrepreneurs goes in a particular business because they are interested and like the job. Alright friends, because time is up, I will close today's presentation. The conclusion of this material is entrepreneurship has a very important role for economic growth because an entrepreneur is able to job for others. Entrepreneurs are able to lighten the burden on the government by being able to survive without relying on the government. The number of entrepreneurs in a country can independently the progress of the country. The more entrepreneurs there are, the more developed the country is. That's today's discussion. I ask the moderator apologies if there are errors in guiding today's discussion. I would like to thank Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri, the presenters, and the audience today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the next time, I will return it to Mr. Muhammad Zain Masruri.